Do you need to filter your fuel? Do you want to improve the performance of your machinery and avoid costly breakdowns caused by contaminated fuel? Jesbasa has a wide range of microfilters for the removal of impurities and water absorption. We have engineering to design and manufacture the filtration system that suits your needs. Bulk filtration. To filter at high flow at the time of discharge. If you carry out recirculation filtration, you will keep the fuel clean and prevent the formation of sediments in your tank. You will eliminate the water and prevent the appearance of bacteria. Final filtration at the time of supply. We have different types of filters depending on the level of contamination and desired fuel quality. Whatever the application or needs you may have in filtration, at Jesbasa we will find the solution. Jesbasa Total Filtration.